Hi, this is a video of watching it turn on from the window. I'm going to have it right here. I don't think you can see it too well, but I'm just going to have it right here. I'm going to have it like that. And I'm going to stand here the whole time until it turns on. And the vent is off too. No air blowing out of the vent yet. I'll tell you when I feel a little bit. I don't feel any air blowing out of the vent at all because the air conditioner is off. It's been off for about 5 minutes now. It will turn on when it gets hot again. I don't feel any air coming out of the vent. It might do that when it's almost about to turn on, I believe. Oh, it's really warm today. It's like 85 degrees right now. It's 85 degrees right now, I believe. I still don't feel any air out of the vent. The vent is on the floor, and my foot is on the vent, and I don't feel anything. I'll tell you when I feel a little bit. And I'll let the phone watch the AC to start up. And the Trane, it's a Trane XR13. I believe this one is older than ours. Ours is bigger though. And ours is an XR15. And, yeah. Still no air coming out of the vent. Still nothing. I'm waiting for it to start up. And there's still nothing yet. Oh, I feel a tiny, tiny, tiny of air. Just a tiny, tiny bit. Not too much though. Not barely even a lot. Just like tiny, tiny bit. Like, just like a slight blow. Like, very quiet blow and you don't feel it as much. It's just like that. I feel it just a little bit, but not too much. When it turns on, I might be a little bit surprised. I might just make, whoa, when it turns on. Oh! Oh, the vent is on now. I feel a lot more now. The AC is back on. So it's been off for about 7 or 8 minutes. That was very short when it was off. It was on a little longer, I believe. And, yeah. And I'll let you see the vent. It's very dirty in there. I don't want to open it. And, there's the vent right here. And there's the air conditioner running. And, we have a nice backyard. This is my grandma's backyard. And there it is running once again. Focus camera. There. And there it is running one more time. And yeah. Alright, let's close it. And lock this. Oh wait. There we go. These vents are very old. Those white vents are very old. And I gotta show you something. We have to be very quiet now. I'm gonna make all the noise. Alrighty. I had to make that noise because my mother and my grandma were talking together. And we have a fan. It's a very old. It's a Alaska fan because the way it looks like, because it's got stencil blades on it, and it's got a pole chain here and another one up there. But I'm not going to turn it on because one of the blades is hanging down just a little bit, and I think it's that blade right there, that one. I believe that one's hanging down, and I think it wobbles too much as well. I haven't turned it on, but I'm not going to do it because my grandma will be angry. So yeah, I'll just turn on the light instead. There's the light. I don't like that light bulb. It's like, I don't like the flowers because they look really weird. And this is the light, and that's the fan. And yeah, let's turn it off. Okay, that's it, everyone. See you next time. Bye.